Hi, it's me Lena, and today we are going to look into insertion operation in linked list. This video is brought to you by Exposure Today. If you like our video, do press the like button and subscribe us. Do look out for our coming videos that can excite you more on how-to video tutorials. So stay tuned. Here we will learn to insert nodes, as in new nodes. So first we'll have to come up with this diagram. So this is a node. This will be the new node that needs to be in between the last node and the nodes. And the last node is basically null. So to do this, we will need to point the new nodes to the last node. So it will look something like this. This can be done like this. Yeah. So we are going to connect to this. So in order to do that we can actually use the new node.next pointing to the right node. So how does that look like? So this is what we were talking about. New node.next pointing to right node. So basically pointing here, so it is connected here. So next we will need to bring the node which is on the left to point to the new nodes instead of the last node. So this has to be cancelled and this node will point here. We can actually delete this connection. So in order to do this, there is a code that we can use. In order for this to happen, we can have this as our code. Left node dot next pointing to new node, which basically gives this operation to take place. So if you have any questions on this, on how it is happening and all that, you can actually comment below and I will definitely answer you back. So I hope you had a good learning on this insertion operation in linked list, and I hope to see you again in the coming videos. So bye, and do not forget to subscribe us.